Konnichiwa, I'm John Hornick. Welcome to my Japanese Faves series where we'll cover every major type of Japanese food. This lesson is beef short ribs fried rice, which is a variation on my other fried rice lessons, showing that there's more than one way to get good results. This is also a delicious way to use up leftover rice and leftover beef short ribs meat. In fact, this dish is so tasty that I plan to make short ribs again soon just to make this dish. Note, I cooked the rice in chicken stock to get more flavor, but you could use rice cooked in water too. But it's important to use rice that's a day or two old so it's not too sticky and doesn't clump together. So let's start cooking. All right, now the first thing we're going to do is make sure that the rice kernels are kind of separated, break up the rice. Now, I have some of this beautiful golden rice that was cooking on the bottom of the rice in the rice maker, and I love this stuff. And some people in some parts of the world it's highly treasured. So we're just going to separate this rice, make sure it's kind of separated into individual rice kernels. And you might think I have not enough here. I'm making for one tonight on the video, but use the amounts that are in the notes. That's right, for two people. Okay, now we're going to toss together the ingredients that are going into the rice, okay? So here we have the short rib meat, which has been shredded. Pull it apart so that you basically have shredded pieces, okay? And then the carrot, which has been diced, about a 1/4 inch dice. And then the garlic, okay, which is minced. I'm gonna get all this extra here, I don't want to lose any. All right, good. And the spinach. Now, we're going to give this a little bit of olive oil and some salt, lightly, and some freshly ground black pepper, lightly. And then we're going to toss those together. Okay, now here we have our shoyu, our sake, and our sesame oil. And we're going to mix those together. Why are we going to mix them together? Because I'd already like them to be mixed when they go into the rice so that this liquid, all of the ingredients of this liquid, get well distributed in the rice. Okay, now we are going to melt about a tablespoon and a half of butter in the wok until it is foamy. Okay? Okay, now let's add the beef and the vegetables to our butter. And we're going to stir fry those for about 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, it's been about a little over 2 minutes. The spinach has wilted nicely. Everything looks like it's been cooked a little bit. Okay, now we're going to take everything out of the wok and reduce the heat to low. Now, we're going to add another about a tablespoon and a half of butter and let that melt. Okay, the butter is melted. Let's add our rice. And let's add the mixture of the shoyu, sake, and sesame oil. And let's stir that up to get it nice and well mixed. Okay, now let's add the vegetables and the beef back in. Stir it up to mix it. Now, we want to take our poached egg, add that. Stir it up to mix it and break it apart. Now some recipes will scramble this egg first. I like the effect that you get from doing it this way, but you can do it either way. You'll just get a different effect. Okay. Now we want to taste it and adjust the seasoning if necessary. Good. Does not need any more salt or pepper, but if it did, this would be the time to add it. Now finally, we're going to add our chopped scallions. Why do we add those last? Because we want them to stay pretty crisp and fresh and not cooked, okay? Good. Okay, it is time to plate up. Okay, let's scoop our fried rice into our bowl. Now I was making enough for one, but this is really probably enough for 1.5 to 2. Okay, so it's a generous portion. If you're hungry, this will satisfy your hunger. Okay, and what we're going to do is garnish with some sesame seeds. And there we have it. This is beef short ribs fried rice 3. You can see photos of the final dish at my Instagram, which is @Chef's Apprentice, Cook Like a Pro. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.